for peace. The red stands for bravery. And the three stands representing the three states.
Three states?
Oh!
May states pala sa Philippines.
Oh! Ano ganito?
Mutsi mo ay. Ikaw kay istorya.
Joke lang. Tatlong tong states ka, ano ba? Ka-Philippines.
Ano tong tatlo ba?
Representing tong atong mga cities called.
Cities? Abi ko states tapos na cities.
Ay, mga these aton.
Ano yun siya?
Luzon, Visayas.
Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Amura tong three states ka Philippines. Tong Luzon at sa island to and another island to connecting another island.
And where did you get that information?
I just going to YouTube and scrolling for the map. But the Greenland you think is bigger than seem like Africa, right?
I don't know.
That seems like Africa. But the Greenland is, I think, 3 times smaller than Africa. I think. But United States is the wrong, but the third biggest country in the world. Does not make sense. The United States is the third biggest country in the world. It's not make sense. Though the biggest country is Russia and the second is Canada, but the United States is stronger than combined.
Combined of
Russia and Canada.
really?
Oh.